Handycoat Lodust is a specially formulated filler that significantly reduces the amount of dust while sanding. The formulation makes dust particles clump together and settle down on the floor, ensuring they do not form a dust cloud, reducing the discomfort to vision and breathing caused by sanding dust. Handycoat Lodust is developed for experienced applicators and amateur decorators alike to repair and touch up surfaces in an easy and efficient way. It requires minimum sanding efforts to get a smooth and even surface for painting. This video shows an application process of Handycoat Lodust for skimming of interior walls prior to painting. For this application, you need a scraper, a spatula, an electric sander or a sanding block, and a brush. Mix the material to a uniform consistency, adding a small amount of water if required. Pre-fill any large holes or cracks using a spatula or scraper with Handycoat Lodust. Allow to dry fully. Use a scraper followed by a brush to remove any high spots or loose material from the surface. Place a small amount of Handycoat Lodust on a spatula and apply it in a thin layer of approximately 1 mm to achieve a smooth, even surface. Apply in 1 or 2 coats, depending on surface conditions, and allow to dry before light sanding. Special formula of Handycoat Lodust delivers a comfortable sanding experience with up to 80% lower dust compared to conventional fillers, making application process healthier and more comfortable. No priming is required before painting. And that's it. Handycoat Lodust has special Lodusting formula. It's easy to apply and sand. It provides quick drying. It produces up to 80% lower dust compared to conventional fillers.